All right, this is 5.5.2. Final theorem in this chapter, side-side-side similarity, which says if three sides of one triangle are proportional to three sides of another, then the two triangles are in fact similar. We're going to do a little bit something that's very similar to 5.5.1. We're going to create a triangle inside the pink triangle that is congruent to the purple by side-side-side, and rely on the fact that the small triangle within the pink triangle is similar to the pink triangle. So that's the general form here. Let's write down the givens, okay, so that we know that DE, oops, DE, oh, stop. DE relates to AB the same way that DG relates to AH, or the same way that EG relates to BH. Okay, we're going to take this length. So separately, that's the given. Separately, I'm going to take DE and try to replicate it over here. Label that X. I'm going to take parallel line to this side, label this Y. Okay. And try to be as concise as I possibly can. We now know that DE is the same as AX. Right? And we know from this triangle over here, right, that AX relates to AB. Oops. Relates to AB the same way that XY, this is a little bit different, XY relates to BH is the same way that AY relates to AH. Now you see that there's some similar. There's an AH over here, an AH here, there's an AB here, there's, oh, and what's interesting, look at that. It's exactly the same thing. That's cool. And we have a BH here and a BH here. Well, it actually doesn't take a whole lot since these two things are the exact same number, that all of these ratios should be exactly the same. So hopefully you can see that pretty quickly you can make an argument that XY and DG must be the same number. See the parallel, oh, so I'm sorry, XY and EG must be the same number. And let's see, in green, AY and DG must be the same number. AY and DG are the same. These two are the same. And these two are always the same. So therefore, these two triangles are congruent by side, side, side. This triangle over here is similar to the large by something we already knew. And so therefore, the large will be similar to this purple because the purple and the green are exactly the same triangle. And that's the side-side-side similarity theorem.